Welcome to our digital marketing store. Here you'll find the best digital marketing books for beginners and those who are not quite ready to invest in outsourced marketing campaigns just yet. With low cost and low risk digital products, we hope you find some great tips to improve your digital marketing skills here. Please check out our course offers and digital marketing books to aid your online strategy. We aim to source resources for all aspects of digital marketing to support your marketing campaigns. Right now we have special offers on authority traffic, which is a blueprint to get maximum traffic to your website, and we also have a Facebook Ads Domination 2020 video course. Check out our digital marketing agency promo, which is a limited time only free online business report to help you get more customers, clients and sales. The real price is $149.99. In human terms, this customized report will find all the problems on your website that are stopping you from increasing and maximizing the amount of customers, clients and sales that your business deserves to be getting. So we'll find all of your online business problems and offer you the solutions. After that, it's up to you with what you do with them. All you have to do is fill in your name, email address and website and you'll get your report. We're here to help, so check out our blog or our services or contact us if you have any digital marketing needs or SEO services that you need implementing.